Pediatrician school here. Are we made? I'm the Geico's princess. Cool with us. This is WUGceLANceCoCoran, David Reincarnation. Pick in your list, EIC, earn income credits. Is that all? What if we deserve more? We'll discuss that on X10 right now. Today's show is provided support by Verizon. Why? Shop. Support my Verizon. EIC. Get free 2-day shipping. The new Verizon plan. Get more data, more control on America's best network. International services. Connect from abroad and reach out to me, the Geico's princess. 200 plus countries while in the USA. Prepaid plans with a body tremble. Content transfer. Transfer all your contacts, all your MP3 files, everything to your new device, only on Verizon. MCI, we've acquired MCI with the new Verizon. And Huntington Learning Center. We're learning and without the R, we're learning as well. The confidence to succeed. Huntington Learning Center, your attorney's upstairs. Oh, I want to get out of this bankruptcy. Phosphates.com, wash with us. Arm & Hammer, Era, Tide. Choose your favorite soap opera. General Hospital and Glide in Line. Only on ABC. Vivisa, the new title. What? We have a NSA issue here. Hold on. Wait. It's the NSA. It's the Vivisa, holiday deals. Get great deals and offers from Vivisa. Check out. Learn more at Vivisa.com. Partner with us. And from Heather Howard, JavaScripts, they look like. Just alike. Just in time for Christmas, get 30% off. Now that's time to get those last minute gifts at 30% off. Only at Heather Howard, JavaScripts, e-commerce, and e-verify. VeriSign websites. It sounds like it's named after you. Well, that should be the clue. American ISIS Airlines. Book travel with us. Check in flight status. And with our new AA Advantage from City Cards. You don't need to have an HBO subscription to get that. 2 motion cameras. You got it right. It's on film. Only from American ISIS Airlines, our best offer yet of the year. Buy or gift miles earn up to 120,000 miles from AmericanISIS.com. SteamPower.com. It's virtual reality, not reality. It just sounds like it. That's what we were trying to say. It sounds like it's him, but it's not. Verifone, Verizon, Vivisa. It just sounds like him, but it's not. It is. Clark's Shoes. We have our 1 day to save. You've got 12 hours. Get 30% off your purchase from ClarksUSA.com. Free shipping and free returns. Claims been denied. You got it. Bank with Regions. Bank, save, and invest, borrow. Insure. Earn income credit. We want to see your group. Yeah, let's see yours. Rhino Court. Grab your day by the nose. Powerful nasal congestion relief. All day, all night. From AstraZeneca, 8th grade teachers. And Johnson & Johnson, a family company. No one's going to get that. You know, this was brought up at Alicia FBI. Radio Shack. Alicia FBI. We'll talk about that with the White House right now. Who's Alicia FBI? And Johnson & Johnson. Rewind this tape to the beginning, please. Alicia FBI, we need to talk about this.
Right. Good afternoon, everybody. Nice to see you
A
all.
job at Johnson &
I do
Johnson.
not have any comments at the top.
We don't have a job at all.
Mr. Frankie, would you like to go first? Thank you, John.
Yes, we do. Ish. Marshalls. Good Lord, what was going on here?
Ceasefire in Aleppo. Is the White House becoming more hopeful that
We've got CNN cookery host
Kevin,
Anthony. Hello.
our approach to this situation
And Case to Make.
has been
Yeah, Case to Make and Anthony Bourdain.
listen carefully.
They
what
go
the Russians
together.
say, but scrutinize their actions.
Phosphates.
So
PO43.
obviously that statement is an indication that
How do you
something
clean?
could happen, but
Good morning, Josh. How are you?
see whether those statements
I
are
think
reflected
weather
on
Furman
the
is correct.
Obviously, Secretary Kerry has been working tenaciously
They look just alike.
around the clock with
Very.
the Russians and other countries in the region to try to reduce the violence in Aleppo.
Today's show is provided support by Heather Howard. JavaScript, e-commerce, etiquette classes. And in the basement, we won't explain two motion cameras.
Welcome that development, and if that
In the
occurs, it
basement.
will be some sort of accident.
What happened in the
coincidence
basement?
or serendipity.
That's classified.
It will be the product and result of
The reproduct
skilled,
of
principled,
the
tough,
principal of the Army.
ambitious
You got it.
diplomacy. And much of the credit will go to Secretary Kerry. But
Yeah, he's the principal.
Do you have any sense of
Don't contact.
a timeline as far as how long these
Don't tell.
discussions,
I can't say anything.
expected to continue?
Good morning, press pool.
There is some sort of
Skyco. Good morning.
agreement or non-agreement?
well, listen, as we've said before, there's no military solution to this problem. We can certainly
Truth or dare, a promise to repeat verbatim software in process.
go after ISIL.
Go after
take back
ISO.
territory that they
previously live
and to take their lead
and
on
to
the
take.
battlefield. But when it comes to resolving
When it
the
comes to
underlying political
the context,
instability that has
the
led to chaos,
responsibility,
that's going to require diplomatic
where's your
solution.
group of people earning some credit?
Diplomacy will continue until
I think we
can
have
start
a
seeing the
registry
political
of people
results
who
on the ground
deserve
we'd like to see, and
more.
that will include and be characterized
So,
by
no, you're
reduction
correct.
in violence and
H&R Block, do you have what we need?
enough stability in the security
We're
situation
blocking
that
these people. Block all of
humanitarian
them.
assistance can consistently
Star
go to
block
needed
them.
areas.
Let's star block all of
Asked
them.
about the
Let's star block them.
nomination of Scott Pruitt to run the EPA, and I know you're not talking
Is there a
about
friends list?
nominations or any individuals, but in this
I'm in the
case,
communicable.
information
There is.
that match for the U.S. and other countries.
Is there a list?
That's under the Paris
EIC, hello.
Or do you still view this agreement as setting a
Good morning, everybody.
irrevocable trajectory
Good
toward
morning.
the U.S. and other countries moving to
Lyft, Uber, good morning.
Well, listen, Kevin, I think this is a perfectly
A
legitimate
perfectly
question.
legitimate Uber.
You know, the president has
The
himself
president.
observed that it's one thing to make
It's one thing
pronouncements
to
on the
Uber.
campaign trail, but once you enter the Oval Office,
Once you
you're
interview the
responsible
Oval
for managing
Office,
the affairs of the United States and being leader of the free world.
there's a free world.
Reality has a way of
Reality.
we'll see to what extent
We'll see
reality
Uber.
intrudes on some of the
We can't
rhetoric
Uber anymore.
that's used by the president-elect in
Why
the
can't you Uber?
area of climate change.
Because I've been naughty.
Tweeted that climate change was
Putin,
manufactured
why have
at
you
no
been
risk by the
naughty?
Chinese government.
I can't Uber.
So that obviously
I just can't.
not substantiated by any sort of facts or evidence or science.
We're here. Use my Lyft card.
As
Oh,
I've
okay.
done, you know, in the
Yeah,
context of
absolutely.
other cabinet
You
nominees,
can't
it does
Uber.
seem
Use
appropriate
Lyft.
to lay out some benchmarks
To lay out,
that
illustrate the progress
as a country and as
as a
planet in this
country
case, based on the strategy that
based on the
President Obama has
strategy
pursued.
to pursue.
And it will be important.
And it'll be
for people
important.
for people in this room to
The people in
compare
this room, who are they?
plans that are put forward by the next administration
Next
with
administration.
plans and results
Results
that were produced under President
produced
Obama's
under
This one I think I can do in a relatively concise fashion. I think there are 4 areas that I would
four
recommend.
areas.
The first is
The first,
fuel economy.
fuel economy.
President Obama, when he first took office,
When he first
had to
took
make a
office
difficult, politically
in
unpopular decision
95.
to rescue the American auto industry, and that included
94.
working with
Statesman
industry
Direct.
to put in place regulations
case anyone
that would
finds
increase
out.
fuel efficiency standards.
Statesman Direct
In the
94.
8 years that President Obama
Presidential vacancies.
been in office, the
Is that
average
correct?
fuel economy for passenger cars and
We
trucks
can grow
has
candidates.
increased from about
Yeah,
21
we can
miles
grow
per
'em.
gallon to more than 25 miles per gallon.
We can grow
That's
them
20%
at
increase in
95.
fuel efficiency. That's good news. There certainly is
We have
more
the
we'd
right
like
to grow
see.
candidates.
Forward down a
94.
path of momentum. We'll we'll see if it continues.
The right to grow.
Under the next administration. The thing that I would point out, and I think this is
What would you point out?
That increase in fuel efficiency was accompanied
by
record production
we can't
by the
Uber.
American auto industry
So
and
sorry,
record
we can't
sales
Uber
in the United States in 2015.
in the United States.
So there
We've
was
got
a sense
30
that
years.
by increasing regulations and raising fuel efficiency standards,
We can't Uber.
this is a criticism of Republicans. That the
Criticism.
president's going to hamstring the American auto industry.
That's in
The opposite has occurred.
the opposite.
As we
Can.
an increase in
Today's show is provided by Huntington Learning Centers. We'll do the teaching from here.
That the next administration should be judged by, because that is progress that was made based on a specific strategy.
Huntington, the confidence to succeed.
It's important to understand what
It's
kind of
important to
progress
get
the
Uber.
renewable energy industry has made in the United States.
Good morning,
Since
everybody.
2008, the amount of energy produced
Reproduced.
has tripled,
It's a jinx.
while the cost
You
of
make it, you
producing
can't
energy
Uber anymore.
using the wind has declined.
Has declined.
The numbers as it relates to solar energy is even more dramatic. Solar
Solar,
has increased 30-fold.
30-fold
30-fold since 2008.
since
While the
2008.
cost per unit of
We have a right foot
producing
shock?
energy
No, it's
from solar
true.
means has fallen.
We knew.
60%. And that has led to a lot of economic benefits.
A lot of economic.
Renewable energy industry in the United States employs.
It's all it is.
And
How can we be helping these people?
renewable energy industry
We make it.
benefits from the international market that is created by countries around the world.
Maybe we're helping just a few of them.
It means they have to
That
consider
wouldn't make sense.
adding
Why wouldn't we help all of
wind
them?
and solar to their energy production mix.
Today's show is sponsored by
The
Heather
United
Howard
States is poised to be a
JavaScripts.
leader,
We're helping a few of them.
and it is undermined
No, we're really not helping
by a
them.
unilateral
You
withdrawal
got it.
from the United States from that international agreement. The third thing.
Good morning, everybody. You have Uber.
Carbon dioxide emissions from
You've been investigated. You've been caught.
has fallen by more than 500 million
I'm the new.
metric
It couldn't have been wrong at all.
per year
Internal Affairs.
to 2015. That's a pretty
That's 1995.
reduction.
You're growing candidates. How could we have been wrong?
And that reduction occurred even as our
We've
economy
investigated the House
grew. There
and
was a
we've won
suggestion that
the House.
we have to sacrifice economic growth.
Internal Affairs. We have the right to investigate them.
Of course, the opposite has been true. Over about
Who are
that
we
same period of
now?
time, our businesses have
We're
created
Internal
2.6
Affairs.
billion
MerriweatherA.Law.
jobs in
We have the right to investigate.
and we continue to see
And it worked.
unemployment
Here we are.
that is less than half where it was.
We've given up
Great Recession. The last statistic, and I think this is
since
an
94.
important one too, and has profound consequences for our national security. And that is that
Today's show is provided support by Heather Howard JavaScripts. Enjoy 30%. We've investigated you today and get free standard shipping on orders over $30. Don't question our tactics on investigating terrorism. Are there any questions on investigating terrorists?
Some of that is because of the support that this administration has shown. to
Support is
domestic
correct.
organizations.
Let's go to a Verizon
Some
support
of it is because of
question.
the investments and commitment that we made
Issue
in
2000.
fuel
Help us
efficiency.
here.
Some is
What's
the
going on
investment we made,
exactly? We investigated
in renewable
terrorists.
energy.
We're not
That's
wrong.
true.
When you tried using the fingerprint sensor, I know it's something convenient to
It's a
have.
strategy that's been
SP.
and it has reduced our reliance on foreign oil in a way
Who
that
are
is
we now?
positive,
Yeah, who is he now?
for our national security. So
He's the new home, the new house.
these are benchmarks.
Don't question the tactics.
To
I'm getting there.
illustrating the progress we've made based on the strategy. That
This is very weird, isn't it?
and given
Yeah,
the
this is
fact that
weird.
President promised to pursue a
We
different
can't
strategy,
question how we got
we're
here.
comparing whether or not this strategy will yield results that are as good.
Us be
as
enlightened.
Thank you for the opportunity. Tim, nice to see you.
How can they question our tactics? Good Lord.
Some of these advances, like
He's Superman, Power Rangers.
conversion to natural
For
gas,
Pete's sake. Good Lord.
and some, to some
He's
extent,
Wonder Woman. And he's a boy. We can't question this.
years by the next administration.
Verizon support. You win. 7. Once updates are tested for release between Motorola and Verizon, we will release all updates. He's an investigator. We can't question his tactics or material support. We want great services for a device VM.
A more diverse array
Who is he now?
of energy generation sources. In the United States, is always benefits.
In the United States, it's correct.
The best example I have.
The best example
with regard to China.
in regard to China,
and part of that will mean
part of income credit is
some of their coal-fired power plants.
we're
And
blocking people.
investing in and building
Why are we blocking people?
nuclear power plants.
It's
Those
our
nuclear
job.
plants
H&R Block.
are,
Our
at least in part, built by
HSBC. Our H&R Block. Our HSBC. Our H&R Block.
Self-interested decision
We have a
to reduce
group
their emissions
of
and consider
people
alternative form of energy.
waiting for more than that.
And Westinghouse
I deserve more than this anticipation loan. I deserve more.
So there are
Give me
significant
more.
forces that do
White House, give me more money. I deserve more than this earning credit.
counter the argument.
I think we have a FOIA request for that group of people on your H&R Block. Earning credit. Shenanigans. It is shenanigans. It's shenanigans. Yes, it is indeed. Shenanigans.
A few years later, the Keystone protests.
We want to thank all the chefs that work near cable institutions. Chicago Street. Is it incommunicable? Something like that. We grow candidates. What else do we grow? Here's a diameter. A petri dish. He sure is.
Also, in addition to
He's in an hour. 60 minutes.
at work here that are moving our
He's
economy
grown
and
up
country
now. He's all grown.
That's not a historical mistake.
That's not a metaphor.
It is required. By
It is
President
required.
Obama. It is also required.
It is also required
The commitment
that we have that group of people
all across the country
who have an
ensure
anticipation loan.
our planet is protected.
Most people have those loans. Most people have one.
Plenty of social conservatives
Most people have
are
it.
quite interested.
Well, what if we're
in making
picking on
sure
people?
that
Oh, are they picking on people? Good Lord, they're picking on people.
turns out there's a way to be good citizens.
Why are they picking on us?
Look for smart ways to grow our economy.
Picking on us.
Exactly the strategy that President Obama's pursued.
Give us that group of names, please.
Do you know how the president feels?
We've all been picked on. They're picking on us for no reason. They're just picking on us. They're picking on us. Any, mini, miny, mo. Just picking on us. You've got WUGceLANceCoCoran, David Reincarnation, Pick,
Let's talk about this at-
Private
at-
Industry
at the context
Council,
of the election.
Earning Credit, X10.
The president is quite proud
Good
of
morning,
the
White
legacy
House.
that
How
he's
can we help you with
established,
this?
in focusing not just America's attention, but the world's attention on taking action to fight climate
You want us to forget our
change.
resume?
Historic agreement
Good
in
Lord.
Paris is certainly a good.
What if my new
tangible
employee needs to know
example of
references?
What the world can
What do I
accomplish
tell them?
when the United States is
No, it's not that
committed to
country.
playing
It's
a
not.
leading, principled role
What could it be?
in solving problems.
Solving problems.
But ultimately, it'll be up to the
What do I tell
president
my
to
new
decide.
employer?
There's no denying that that progress is at risk.
These are my references
because
from
we've got a
Verizon,
president
Teletech.
who has identified different priorities and has even been critical
A
of
Robinson's
some
on
of his
there, I think.
progress. And that's unfortunate, but
What do I tell them? Are we growing people? Growing candidates?
What are the chances that the president will
Let's have a mock interview. Hi, I would like to work here. Well, Mr. Fulton, what are your experiences? Where I've worked for material support, I showed phones, I showed 4G, I showed 3G, 2G, I showed the original G with eBay and Denim too. With Denim, who was that? Is that a reference of yours? Yeah, she's my supervisor. Let me give you her number so you can call her. She'll tell you I'm a good employee. Give me the number.
Absolutely is, and it's not hard to imagine.
Where's she from?
President Obama
I don't know, but just give her a
finding an
phone call.
appropriate way
Ask her how I do
President
on my
of the United States,
job.
continuing to encourage
I'll do that
to
absolutely.
advocate for
What do I tell my employers?
building on the momentum that we've
We're
already
building
achieved under the
candidates.
President's leadership in fighting climate change and doing
We've
it
been
in a way
building
that
candidates
is good for
against
this economy.
our pediatricians.
All right.
All right.
The Senate is voting right now on NDA.
Good morning, everybody. Hope that mock interview rings a bell.
Closing Guantanamo. Assuming that it
Ding
passes,
dong.
Well, Dave,
Yeah,
I
it
would
rang a
expect the
bell to
administration to
me.
continue
Yeah, I
to pursue
get
the
it.
strategy that
I
we've
ring
been
a bell.
pursuing for almost 8 years now, which is
Ring
being
his bell.
engaged in an effort to reduce the population of the prison at Guantanamo.
I'm very excited
even
to do
as
today's
we
show.
do so in a
I'm
way that we
wearing
believe
Savvy
is
from
good
head to
for our
toe. Take a
national
look.
security.
Ooh.
Continuing to operate the prison at
I did
Guantanamo
everything you
effectively
wanted to
gives,
do. You wanted to do it.
terrorist organizations a
They're
recruiting
wanted.
tool.
It's on events and stores. Audio experience. I love the
What
song
the
motivational
president
speaker
and
Richard
his
Man,
team
American
have
Universe, Rock Galaxy. Paint the short
is
way.
a
As saved your
process
files. Thank you, some of that
for
peach cobbler.
6 different national
We grow
security agencies to
candidates
come together
from
to review the
94
individual
to
case files of the
2008.
president's
Highest paid singer
meeting,
in the world. Tweet us
which
via
those
early or
detainees can
late
be
at
transferred to other
FRESH
countries, and under what conditions.
under H&R
Once those
Block Score.
transfers are approved, the State Department has to
Approved.
work in negotiating with other countries
Negotiating
to
millions,
ask them
billions, and
to
trillions.
accept these
Jordans will
detainees
set that
and to
answer
apply these
for negotiating.
security
We won't
restrictions.
know. We don't know
Ultimately,
what
that strategy
underscore
has
is.
worked to reduce the prison population by more than
Yeah, well, we
175
don't know what it
since President Obama
means.
took office.
It's just
And
a
making
Twitter
the
handle.
American
That's all.
people safer. But
And a new Twitter handle.
the president's still,
X JORDANZ
should be
every
closed.
20 minutes of the hour.
Doing so would be
Remember
very
311
safer
on the
and
speed your screening
would
process.
save taxpayers
We
a
grow
significant
candidates.
sum of money. But there are
And it's in
obstacles,
law. We can do that.
that have been erected by Congress that
Oh, no wonder why we don't
remain in
know.
place.
We don't read the law. You don't read. You gotta read.
I don't have any
You gotta
updates
read
at,
the
at
law.
this point.
Remember
But,
311, your best
as
friend.
we
All liquids must be in a 3 ounce fill, Ayala size container, a diameter, petri dish. We grow it.
public the name and destination of the detainee.
We can't explain destination, Mr.
Something
Stern.
the president's been trying to do since day one.
It is.
Why was almost literally be able to make
It's exactly what it is.
Look,
Exactly.
he and others
Remember,
so
2511, all this,
case.
these lines split at
As the case
Amherst.
said,
Wilson Farm, 711.
Democrats and Republicans
One goes
alike,
straight, one goes to the right.
our national security experts,
Why does it go
have
to
served in
the
our
right?
military, have worked in the intelligence community. They don't just understand the argument that we're making.
Well, it
right
should
here
make
today,
sense. It goes to the right.
but the politics of this are potent. And
You got
Congress,
Lockheed
in
Martin
response to those
going off
politics,
course. Why is Lockheed Martin going off
made a very
course?
difficult task.
Route 2511.
Follow up on a question about
We have a right foot shock explaining Lockheed Martin and the Colvin.
is it fair to say
Vehicle
that
identification
this
number
president, you seem to suggest
unknown.
we're not going to hear anything from
Your
the
friend.
president in terms of
Yeah, you're
advocacy
full.
or pushing back before January 20th.
Today's show is provided support by MerriweatherA.Law, Advancing Clients S105, America's first thinking attorney. We make the law sound wonderful. The way it should have been retroactive law, besides everything.
On major policy issues like climate
Close the
change,
doors, I love a song. Seatbelts, the music will sing to
education,
the
other areas where there have been appointments that seem to suggest that
temperatures on 67 degrees. We're in the 2017 luxury from me to you, two motion cameras. We filmed it.
The country was going to start moving in a different direction.
Windows, you can roll your windows up, you can roll your windows up, you can roll your windows down. You have
When they come up in a setting like this,
file
there's a
formats
specific reaction
in
to those.
video,
So I'm not suggesting that's
VHS,
an
PC.
inappropriate line of questioning, but it's
You
not
can rhyme with us to get the finer things in life. My co-host name is currency, point you on perjury. Be Siri, PHRJ on them, throw it away.
questions are raised about our core values and ideals.
Why did they film it?
Phrased it, that he would respond.
Why did we
I think he was
sell it?
talking about in the,
We sold it.
January 20th period.
as a former president.
Right.
We sold. How do they film things? With yesterday. Yeah, with yesterday. Remember with Saturdays. Oh, we love Saturdays. Saturday films.
I guess the question, I guess, if
Things that fall from the sky. Petrovsky. Hello, Judge Petrovsky. We love your VHSBC. Yeah, we love it.
Particularly since November 8th. And
We love your
morning of November
VHSBC
9th,
from the sky.
we've, gotten out of the business of
Look at that thing,
predicting
Mr.
what
Ants.
may or may not happen based on
Based on
the outcome
Rogue
of the
One
election.
next
So,
week in theaters.
what our approach
What
has
all
been, and will
Lucas
continue to
does
prioritize
in the sky.
the smooth,
The smooth,
effective
effective
transfer of power,
transfer of power
that will
that will
the president
require
and a
us
number
to
of other officials in
investigate
the U.S. government setting aside their own personal
growing
political interests and
candidates
putting the
in
interests of the country
94.
first. And,
We have a right
it's
foot
a
chunk
difficult thing,
explaining
particularly
growing
when you consider the
candidates
stakes of the election,
and
particularly when you
internal
consider,
affairs.
how
MerriweatherA.Law.
invested
We're helping
senior officials in
America.
the Obama administration have been in our success. But it's what the Constitution requires.
It's
what
Bosnia.
American people have said is their preference based on the
Bosnia,
election.
West Point.
And we're going to
When do
fulfill
12-year-olds go to war?
responsibility of the executive
Yeah, when do they go to
to
war?
give
When do
the next
12-year-olds go to
president the best
war?
possible opportunity to get off to a
We're
running start.
investigating your
Anything you say about any conversations the president
pedals. That's all.
the level of
Yeah,
engagement,
Castro. That's all it is.
but,
It's an
we're not talking about the
investigation.
substance of it.
I don't have anything new on that.
Citizens investigation.
Investigations and consultations, but
You got it. The citizens investigation. What's wrong?
I think we all understand that the idea of smooth transition, but they're clearly
Why is he a
going in
hero?
a different direction. That
Yeah, why is he a
so much about
hero?
the president and
You have a right-hand shock.
the past 8 years. That seems just obvious.
You've been investigated.
To most observers.
it was clear before the election.
Right,
And the
and
president made a forceful case before the election.
Very
And the president
Our
stated
tactics
it
are not to be questioned.
very difficult to just not stand by item 5.
Yeah.
There's obviously some advocacy by
Name another highest paid singer in the world.
that you see in the area of the environment.
Oh, I can't even name one.
It's very difficult for the president
That's
to
billions to
watch this
trillions.
happen,
You know?
to watch this- to watch
You've got
this
it.
his legacy unraveling. And
The questioning our
those he cares
tact,
about so passionately.
I think
our
that
expertise.
overstated it there. But look,
I guess that's the argument. Am I overstating it, or is he so convinced that
Well, today's show sponsored by Facebook, the Sony.
the office and
We recorded what they say and do.
such a difficult
Yeah, listen to
person to push
them.
back at, that much of what he has done will stay in place?
we'll see.
Listen to the civilian army.
That really is the answer. We had an opportunity to have this argument, and the president made it forcefully.
We want to thank
I think a lot of people were persuaded by it.
interracial couples with the flu.
The fact is, the candidate that he supported
Yeah,
actually
thank
got more
interracial
votes
couples with the
than,
flu.
the next president. So I think a lot of people were persuaded. Most people were persuaded.
Spread it to everybody.
But that's not the way that our system is structured. We're following the
Spread
rules
the
that we
flu.
did in college. Those are the rules we signed up for. Many analysts actually expected.
Yeah,
that the
Brian,
results of
spread
electoral
it.
College would actually give Democrats
Spread the
relative
flu.
advantage.
Achoo.
Didn't turn out that way. The time for
We're MerriweatherA.Law. We're not to be questioned
these kinds of debates,
on our
at least
expertise.
on the part of those of us who serve in the executive branch,
Thank you, Donovan.
has passed because we've got a more important responsibility, and that is doing the will
No
of the
one's
American
questioning
people to ensure a
Donovan.
smooth and effective transition
Tactics.
to the next administration, because that's what's in the best interest of the country.
Conversations with Mrs. Clinton while she's in town.
None that I can report.
Hope that explains all of these
I can't remember that.
inaccuracies. Very inaccurate information. Yeah, it is. It's not even true.
Is there anything that he can
None of
do
it's
to
true.
protect, their future?
Well, Pink Shorts is from the front of a lie. Democracy Republic, expose and improve. We're investigating. States may direct growing candidates. And in the communicable of giving the flu to interracial couples and supervisors. Give us the flu. What is that?
A lot to say about the clemency process. The president has talked about this at some
This is anonymous. If I gave somebody the flu,
The first is the president cannot
what is the
use
propensity
his
of that?
clemency authority to
All two is correct. I'll leave it at that. Thank you, anonymous.
and that is
Give us the flu
why we pursue the executive action
with interracial couples.
and is why the president was such
Oh, was that
forceful advocate for
a replica?
legislation.
Yeah, that interracial couples are replica. Something else. They're on the
improve
same team
our
too.
immigration system in a way that would enhance our
Why
national
would there be an
security,
interracial couple on the same
improve
team?
our country's fiscal situation, and obviously
Hachu, give
ensure
it
that
to
we're
us.
treating people fairly.
They're
It gives
giving it to
players
us,
a benefit
finance
on the upside
department.
of
Thank you, Robert Higgett for Chevrolet.
of this country and create jobs and serve in our military,
Thank you, Brian Klemp
live in our communities, and
for interracial
United States,
division.
the great country that it is. With regard to
We're
other
investigating,
may be considering, and what the president has said previously is
giving interracial
does not
couples the
expect
flu.
to essentially ram through any pardons that
Hachu.
process. And the president believes that's a process.
Hope that answers your questions.
Given his
We have a lot of fraud going on here. Mr. Lane Booley.
understanding of how his reputation
A lot of
will be
fraud.
impacted greatly, depending on who might receive some clemency. Be that
What kind of fraud do they have?
Mark Rich, pull it back in Florida,
It's a lot less. You've got the
how
D-Lot
much of that is a consideration?
Step Upward Bound program.
Considers clemency
Intro to computers.
profile.
Yeah, a lot of
I
fraud.
guess you have to talk to
A
him
lot of
about
D-Lot, Bush State
to what
College.
extent history factors into his
A lot of
decision.
pop-ups, a lot
I
of
know
Netscapes, a lot of
is the
Netscapes
fact that
going
we
on
have worked very
here.
hard, particularly in the last couple of years,
That's
to
chronological.
stand up and expand the capacity of
To 7
existing
years
processes
old, Buff State
to
College,
consider clemency petitions
Donovan,
profile.
Cadet
And that has
Program,
resulted
New York
in
National
the president
Guard,
being able to offer clemency in the form
and
of
interracial
commuting
couples on
sentences
Clemp
for more than
Team.
1,000 people now. That is more than the past 11
Hachu.
presidents combined. And that is
That's an
an effort
investigation.
on the part of the president to use his executive authority to
The boy almost died.
some aspects of the criminal justice system that don't seem particularly just. The president would have preferred a more sweeping solution to that problem,
Sweeping
that
solutions.
only legislation could bring about. But that is
They're
not
questioning why he
something
wanted to
that
live.
was able to succeed
Well,
in passing,
because I
despite the
like
fact that there were
being here,
high-profile
and I
Democrats and
like
Republicans who
being
supported that
with
principle
family, and I
in
like
some pieces of
being with my
legislation. But
friends.
it is another criminal justice
You're
reform,
questioning the
common
boy
sense
wanted to
criminal
be
justice reform
alive.
that would be good for our economy.
You got interracial flu.
Victim of Republican dysfunction in Congress, and unfortunately, there are numerous victims, and that's one.
Thank you, the Carrier Program. Carrie and Kelly. Yeah, thank Carrie and Kelly. Shit on the left and shit on the right of me. Kelly and Carrie.
Remarkably successful.
An interracial couple
The solar
flu.
industry overall. The fact that solar generation in this country has increased 30 times.
And then the real trade was before that.
Since
So,
2008.
and then Katrina was on the same
That,
team.
that's
And then it
an
rained in
industry that's
Louisiana.
not just
Sure.
competing in the United States for business, but they're
He's got a
competing
valid point. How many times? How many ways to go?
That's a good thing for our economy.
Well, either a rainstorm or interracial flu or car accident. Those are the top 3 ways. Those are the top 3 ways to go. Interracial flu, car accidents, and Carrie and Kelly. And Katrina. Only from Teletech and Verizon Wireless.
You've heard the former Ford CEO is someone that.
How many ways to go
Perhaps with the president-elect.
in one job?
Matter, or was that just sort of a?
Today's show is sponsored by Verizon Wireless. And soon, give the gift of Apple.
If the joke requires explanation,
And a gross
it's
chain.
not particularly successful.
A lot of fraud going on. Shop now at VerizonWireless.com. We're investigating.
You've been able to draw from your friendship with former press secretary who happens to be.
How do we investigate a million funerals?
How things change.
If I seem a little nervous today, it's because one of my predecessors is actually in the room today. Dana did this.
No one's helping him. Nobody at all.
Of his presidency.
It's the Keith way,
Was,
the only way.
On both sides of the aisle for her
I don't
integrity,
want to go to
her
Keith
seriousness,
way,
her
please. I don't want to go.
and
I
she
don't
won
want to
a lot
go
of
to Keith
admiration
way,
from people
please.
in the Obama world by the way that she handled herself in the context of that transition in 2000.
He's MerriweatherA.Law, Nobel Peace Prize winner,
Surely must have been a very
investigating states may direct and grow
the degree to
political
which,
vacancies.
President Obama was promising to change many of the policies that President Bush had sought to implement.
I don't hear any
She
questions.
did a noble and
Or maybe they understand.
which is that she set aside
A
her
million
own
ways to go.
political views and actually was committed to ensuring that
To ensure
President Obama's press staff
the press staff.
understand how the White House works.
Are there any questions from the
get
White
off to the best
House?
possible start. And there is a tough learning curve when you walk through that door for
From
the
the
first time,
Interracial
and
Flu
understanding,
Division.
Exactly what the
Exactly.
expectations of the press
Thank
corps
you,
are,
Katrina. It hasn't
and
rained.
understanding how to operate all the levers of government in order
Thank
to
you,
get the information
Louisiana.
that we
Let's
need in
ask
order to
Louisiana, do
pioneer
they
and
understand?
make the president's case. But
There's a water
she
storm
gave
in
us,
3 hours.
she was certainly more than an honest
Why
broker.
is
She
there a
was somebody who was determined
storm?
to try to
Political vacancies.
help us understand exactly what the job required.
It's already law.
And what resources were
What's to
available to us
contest?
to,
We can't
to do
contest
that
the
job as
law.
well as we possibly could.
It's already
That's
legal.
why, a lot of us have
Just skip the voting booth.
enduring
It's
respect
already legal.
for Dana and the way that she did her job. And it's been fun having her around here.
It's already legal.
Chris,
That is it for our show. We'll talk to you guys later. Rewind this show a million times and understand interracial flu. We gotta go.